it's Sakurako. 皆さんこんにちは、Sakurako です。So, if you have been to Australia, you might have noticed that most of cafes have banana bread. I'd baked tons of times when I was working at a cafe on the Gold Coast, Australia. I probably should keep secret recipes, especially when it's one of the popular menu there, but it's really simple, easy to make, and it can be breakfast or snacks to go if you are in a rush in the morning. So today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys how to bake easy and absolutely moist banana bread. Alright, without further ado, let's dive in. Alright, that's it today's video. I hope you like it, and if you did, please give me a big like. And don't forget to subscribe. Life is a wonderful adventure. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!